Hello students, I am Nutan Verma from SVM School, Aligarh. Today we are here to learn notice writing, that is a part of writing skills. By learning it, we can get 3 marks very easily. Today I'll tell you the marking scheme also. So first of all, let's have the knowledge of purpose of writing notice. The purpose of a notice is to give information to those who belong to an institution or organization. A notice is displayed at a prominent place, usually on a notice board where everyone can see it. It is divided into 3 parts: format, content, and language. Format you can see later, and content you can see in the format given that the content is put in 2 paragraphs. In the first paragraph, give all the information about the activity event. Whatever activity or event is there, you can tell the students or other people about that activity or event. While in the second paragraph, write what the readers of the notice are expected to do. Next, language. The language of the notice should be simple, clear, and formal. Now you can see the format. Let's discuss it. First of all, upside we have to give the name of the institution or organization, whatever it is. And after that you have to give some place. If notebook is there, then leave one line. Then write down notice in bold letters. After it, again give a gap or leave one line and put date on the left side. Again give the gap or leave line, then put heading. Heading you can write down either in small or capital. Just like the institution name, you will start with capital, but it is not compulsory to write all the letters in capital. Next is content here. So as I told you, it is divided into 2 paras. According to the question, you have to give your content. After it, leave some gap, leave line or give some gap or signature, then designation. Designation you can suppose just as you are the monitor of the class, so monitor, it is the designation. Now you can see one notice here. First of all, let's discuss the question. As secretary of the activity club of Saraswati Vidya Mandir School, Aligarh, draft a notice for the school notice board informing students of the inter-class quiz contest being organized by the school. You are Nafisa Pankaj. You can see one thing, that everything is given in the question. Institution name, your designation, your name, and activity. So only you have to arrange the things into the format. First of all, you have to give the name of institution, Saraswati Vidya Mandir, Aligarh. Upside you have written. After that, you have given the gap, then notice in bold letters. Again, gap is there, then date. Date you have to keep in mind that in the same pattern you have to give the date. Don't write down just like 5 7 8 5 8 2020. Don't like this. Only this is the correct format. Next, heading, inter-class quiz contest. Heading, this heading is also you can get from the question. After that, we have started our content after some gap. The annual inter-class quiz will be held on 4th September at 2 levels. Classes 7th and 8th and 9th and 10th. The team will be selected on the basis of the preliminary written tests. This is the first information given by the secretary. And next para is there. Those who are interested should give their names to the undersigned by 8th August 2020. This information is for the students. Again, give the gap, then write down name. Girls will write down Nafisa and boys will write down Pankaj. Secretary Activity Club. This is the designation. So students, I think you have got how to write notice. And about the marks, format with the box, it is of 1 mark. 1 mark we will get for content and 1 mark for expression. In expression you have to take care of your language, your writing, for everything that is included into expression. So format, don't forget to give the box, never forget it. I think you like the video, so don't forget to like it, subscribe it or give comment. Thank you. Have a nice day.